Essay on computers in English. Computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information, do calculations and control other machines. Desktop computer, microcomputer, laptop and palm top are different kinds of computer. This is an age of computer. Scientific inventions have changed the way of life altogether. Computer is the most widely used device in everyday life throughout the world. No field of life can ignore its utility. It is indeed a great invention of modern times. Computer has a wide range of applications. It was created primarily for mathematical functions, but now it can be used in every purpose of knowledge. It can operate machines, it can forecast the weather, it can save and process data, it can receive and forward information, it can guide the course of ships. It can help to trace criminals. It can be used for managing records of administration and accounting. The writers can utilize its functions for their work. Computers are used at a large scale. In banking, industry, hospitals, education, and in art and designing, use of computer is a common thing. Government is trying to computerize all the departments, but in spite of all this, computer is not the part and parcel of a common man's life in our society. Low literacy rate, poverty, lack of awareness and ignorance are responsible for our backwardness in this regard. The old generation in our country is least interested in computer skills, but we should teach the new generation the applications of computer as it is in their best interest. Government should set up computer laboratories in educational institutions. Teachers should be given training to run the project of computer literacy. Then the institutions of technical and professional training should be set up to meet the needs of growing population in this field. In today's world, a person is not considered literate if he is not a computer user. The need of the time is that the government should raise awareness of the uses of computer in public and also arrange for the teaching and training facilities of computer in every locality. People should be given computers in easy installments by the government so that they can get maximum practice out of it at home. We should seek the help of international community in promoting computer education. The use of computer in final examinations should be introduced to save time of the students and to check their potential on modern lines. In this regard, computer-related programs, dictionaries, internet and all other facilities must be permitted to examine the faculties of a mind in a learning-friendly environment. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.